What's up, guys? So I am on my way to Wat Arun, which is right across the river. So I'm gonna take a bus and then get a boat ride across the river to the temple. Let's go. Look at the view from my apartment. Pretty sick. I already had some cool drone shots. It's just that sometimes the signal doesn't, there's so many antennas up that the signal doesn't reach my controller. So I get kind of worried that it might go out of range. So I keep it close, but this is cool. I'll do a separate video on my apartment tour. But for now, let's go see that temple. We just got off the bus and now we're heading to the boat, walking across the street. It's not too far away. So I think we have to take the Chao Praya express boat. It's 30 baht to get on. I never traveled down this river before. Get on the boat. It's so cool, man. The temple over here is called Wat Yanawa. I'm not gonna go see that. I'll see it later, but check out this view. See, that's Wat Yanawa, the boat-shaped temple. And this is the Chao Praya River. GAMERA. To my left is the Emerald Temple. In another video, I went here into Wat Po, which is like right across from Emerald Temple. Amazing temple. I never heard a crow make that noise before. I thought the bus was gonna stop to Wat Arun directly, but we had to walk a little bit to get here, but it's not that far. You have people trying to sell you tuk-tuk rides, but walking distance is really not that far. You don't have to pay the tuk-tuk to get there. On the entrance to Wat Arun, there's a bunch of food stalls, but we're gonna skip that. Wait for a buffet tonight. Now we just take another boat to Wat Arun, and we'll be there. Don't wear any revealing clothing. Also wear a mask. And the entry for foreigners is 100 baht. Not too much. I thought it'd be more. Facts about Wat Arun. Wat Arun is named after Aruna, the Hindu god of dawn. The temple is more than 300 years old, but it was not until the 19th century that Wat Arun got its famous look. Since 2018, the temple has been fully uncovered again after long-awaited restorations were carried out from 2013 to 2017. The design of the temple is Khmer style, and the steep stairway is a typical element of it, which can be interpreted as a stairway to heaven. Wat Arun is one of the older standing Buddhist temples in Thailand today. Its story dates back to the end of the Siamese Ayutthaya kingdom, who ruled from the 14th through the 18th centuries. They have a little gift shop over here. I think that's pretty much everything. There's still some stuff inside. But a lot of it is just golden Buddhas. So now we're just waiting for the train to go to Phaya Thai to go to a buffet, and it is raining pretty heavy right now. I brought my drone with me, but I'm not going to use it now. I don't want to fly it in the rain. That Icon Siam Mall that we just walked out of has so much good food, and there's a lot of pricey luxury stores. I just went to Chanel, got some cologne, just like a small Chanel cologne, nothing too crazy, but man, if I would have stayed in there, I would have bought more stuff. So I'll do another video on Icon Siam later.